everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a viral Instagram meme. Let's get right into it. Creating a viral Instagram meme is a blend of understanding internet culture, tapping into current trends, and a bit of luck. Here's a guide to help increase your chances. Number 1. Understand meme culture. Relatability. Memes thrive on shared experiences and emotions. Focus on universal themes that resonate with a wide audience. Humor. Humor is the cornerstone of most viral memes. Use wit, sarcasm, irony, or absurdity to create laughter. Trends. Stay up to date with current meme trends and formats. Leverage popular meme templates and adapt them to your own content. Simplicity. The best memes are often simple and easy to understand. Avoid overly complex or obscure references. Number 2. Content creations. Visuals. Use high quality images or videos that are visually appealing. Ensure the text is legible and easy to read. Text. Use concise and impactful text that complements the visuals. Pay attention to grammar and spelling. Nobody likes it when there's bad grammar and spelling. Timing. Post your meme when your audience is most active. Capitalize on trending topics and events. Originality. While using existing templates is common, add your own unique twists. Give it a little bit of spice. Original memes have a higher chance of going viral. Number 3. Optimization and promotion. Hashtags. Use relevant hashtags to increase discoverability. Examples: hashtag memes, hashtag funny memes, hashtag Insta memes, and niche specific hashtags. Tagging. Tag relevant accounts or influencers who might share your meme. Sharing. Share your meme to your Instagram stories and other social media platforms. Encourage your followers to share your meme. Engagement. Engage with comments and response messages. This increases the visibility of your meme. Timing is everything. A meme that is relevant to current events or trends has a much higher chance of going viral. Number 4. Tools and resources. Meme generators. Apps like Meme Generator, Inkflip, and Capwing makes it easy to create memes. Image editing apps. Use apps like Canva or Photoshop to edit images and add text. Trending meme websites. Websites like Know Your Meme and Reddit's r/memes can help you stay up to date with trends. Here are some key takeaways. Focus on creating relatable and humorous content. Stay up to date with current meme trends and formats. Optimize your meme for discoverability and relevant hashtags. Engage with your audience and encourage sharing. By following these guidelines, you can increase your chances of creating a viral Instagram meme. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.